What's going on, guys? I did a goofball moment. I forgot to hit go live on my stream, and yeah, it looks like we'll be starting over. The good news is I still have some work to do, so we'll be able to fill some stuff up. The bad news is I just wasted, I don't know, a little over half hour. But I appreciate Pythonic Serpent for saying something. And I apologize to you guys for keeping you waiting. But we're here now, and we're going to get to the speed run, which is not really going to be much of a speed run. It's going to be quick, but it's not going to be frantic. But anyway, as always, for those of you who don't know, my name is Adam. This channel is called Coding Things IRL because that is what I do, and that's what we're going to do today again. Alright, so what we're going to do is continue where we left off, and if I didn't already say it, I've been streaming to nobody for like a while, and I forgot to press the go live button. My bad, y'all. But I am here now, and we're gonna do this thing. All right. Recenter myself here. There we go. Okay. It's important to talk into the microphone. You gotta talk into the microphone. If you haven't already, please like the stream, and if you're new, please subscribe, because we do fun stuff all the time. I turned the fun music up a little bit. All right, yeah. Shout out to you, Pythonic Servant. All right. So decorating the stream once again is Mona Lisa, made by Mushroom Cow. Hello, hello, hello. Boing, 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 boing. This is the Mona Lisa on a pogo stick. Pogo stick. Boing, 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 boing. All right, that's enough of that. So I'm having an issue. If you recall from earlier, what I was trying to do was save the image preview so that we could go ahead and SSR it once we get once the like Twitter and Facebook ping the URL. They'll be able to display the previewed image. So that's in two parts. We have to save the image in the database, and then we have to grab the image and cache it, ideally. But that's, you know, that's the cherry on top, I'd say. All right, so let's continue. And please like the stream if you haven't already. I think I said that, but I'll say it again. All right, here we have the code. Just gotta make sure that it's all on the screen. It is. Everybody can see it. And it's pretty big to me, so if you see me doing this, it's because the code is big. It's really big. But be able to manage with it. All right. 4 likes on the stream. Thank you guys for waiting. Thank you guys for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's try to get to 10 likes or something. That'd be pretty sweet. All right, so we're trying to SSR this stuff, and this is where we're injecting the tags. Okay, and it works. But the image preview is not It's either going in the database and being cut off and then becoming corrupt, or it's just never good. I guess we can try to, I don't know if there's a way to do this in JavaScript, but Copilot will know. So we're calling toData URL here. Let's instead save it to an image, a variable called image equals canvas.toData URL. I don't know what passing in that variable does. I don't know what it does. I was gonna say download the image. I don't know if we can do that. Yeah, it creates the element and it like clicks it or something, doesn't it? Yeah, I knew it. I don't know if .click is right, but all right. Let's assume that it is and move forward. So this resides in the public directory, so I shouldn't need to change where it is. So I'll just make sure that I'm running here. Yep. Okay. I gotta close some of the Twitter share windows. They're pretty intense right now. Alright. So we're running. There's Mona. I'm gonna close everything except for Mona right now. I'm gonna pin her. Alright, pin Mona. How do I do? I don't see close. There it is, close other tabs. Close other tabs. There we go. Nothing but Mona. Alright, and then localhost. We'll make a dot. And then we're supposed to be able to share, and when we click share, it should be downloading right there. But I didn't see any download. Did you? I didn't see any download. Okay. So I don't see any append childs or anything like that. I assumed that it wasn't necessary, but let's not assume such things. I'm wondering if we can use window location or something like that, but I don't think so. I'll just console log the image to make sure it's an actual image. This actually should just be image, like so. And we'll go from there. I'm gonna put an alert on here also. Yeah, okay. All right, refresh. Actually, take out that index HTML. I might need to make that invalid. But I don't see an alert. Do you? I surely don't see one. All right, let's do this. Let's rerun npm run dev, which will rebuild the React app, which I think is what we want. Yeah, because we're in the public directory when we started. I mentioned that before. I mentioned that. But we have to build to compile and move it to the build directory. which is where we're serving from on index.js. See? As you can see, that's where app/build happens to be the same directory as the build files for the React app, and that's no coincidence. I did that on purpose. Guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to like the stream. Don't forget to subscribe. Coding Things IRL. Go to codingthingSIRL.com. Go to brightpegs.com to play the brightpegs game. I want to see a lot of people on brightpegs.com to play the game so that we can get feedback for the game. And as soon as the sharing stuff and the mobile optimizations and the doodads, I don't even know what, there's a whole list that I have not right in front of me, but there's a list. And once that list is exhausted in terms of we did everything on it, then we'll move on to something else. But the list that I'm referring to is simply a list of things that we need to make the game presentable. I mean, it's a good game. It's fun. Don't get me wrong. Okay? But I'm a professional. Where's the camera? I'm a professional, okay? And you should be too. Every time you put something out, you should think, does this look professional? If I saw this, would I feel like, you know, this is something that's impressive to me? Or is it just trash? And sometimes trash is okay. Like if you work for a fast-paced company like I used to, and they literally ask you to put trash out. Well, not literal trash, but you know what I mean. They literally ask you to prioritize putting bad code out over putting good code out. More bad code over putting a few lines of good code out. That's what they want. That's what they wanted from me. Now they are out of my life. It's gone. But that is unhealthy for a developer. Develop an inner schism. Oh, what do I do? All right, let's get back to the code. So I click share. I don't see any errors. Now, when I click share, I'm in Twitter. Twitter is the only social media that I currently have hooked up here. I have other ones, but I don't use them really. Okay, so the preview URL that we should be using is API preview, like that. And we get just this base64 image here. All right. But it needs to. We need to send it as an image. It looks good to me. There's no. This one doesn't end in equal. That's weird. But whatever. I don't know if that's even a rule or not. I just noticed the last two ended equal and equal. And I thought I remembered something about this being like limiting but it doesn't matter. So this is the one, the other part of this, where it should send as a download, and it works. It just doesn't seem to, you know what I mean? It doesn't, it's corrupt. It's corrupt. All right, so let's see, are we still running NodeMon? We are still running NodeMon. So when we refresh this, we get a download. It's pretty small. I noticed it's very small. is very small. I wonder. So file.length, huh? Coming from the buffer. Any kind of image or any kind of console log. All right, we'll just add that in then. Let's console log the file.length. File.length. Not the whole file, just the file.length. It's pretty 300K whatever is small for a PNG image, isn't it? Isn't that pretty small? I think it is. I think I'm going to go with yes. All right, nonetheless, so still node modding. All right, let's visit this URL here. Fresh. Okay, we got another file. And right down there, that's about the file size that we were looking at, 396K. That looks like what was corresponding with the file that we were downloading, so that makes sense. It just doesn't make sense that the file is corrupted. Here's what we can do. We can test with a different image and just make sure that this process will actually download the image, or if it's somewhere along the lines being truncated. That's what we need to figure out, really. So we have some images that we could use here under assets. The quickest one would probably be share. If we could convert that, but maybe this one, since it's more like what we're dealing with. Okay, so the file, we can get the file by calling / and then the file name. So in this case, let's see, I'll do rename so I can just grab that really quick. And all I have to do is do / this dot. What happened? I got a weird thing going on? Is the stream health bad? It might be pretty bad. Here, I can check OBS. What is that? Actually, it's not too bad. It's really not too bad. I've actually been streaming for like over an hour, so considering that, it's not too bad. Excuse me. Anyway, so we type in JPG and we should be good to go. That's the image that we get there. So I want to see, like, maybe we can just save the file here, or there's a couple ways we can do this, but this is how we can get the file just so that we can test it from the front end like this. All right, so this doesn't work at all, which is weird. I'm wondering, let me try that again. So when I go here, there we go. Oh, dude, that worked. Look. Okay. Oh, I guess you can't see that here. If I open in the browser, you can see it. Finally, something worked. Oh, that didn't work. Where did that download to? Oh, here. There it is. So check that out. That actually worked one time, and one time is all you need, really. All you need to prove that it's that actually works. So I don't have to do anything with that thing there. Just thinking about this for a second. So this is how we can download it. So this is a valid data URL. I'm wondering why it doesn't come out valid. Anybody's guess, I guess. I mean, my best guess would be that it's being truncated in some way. So or, you know, maybe I just didn't have it. Maybe I'm being victim to it wasn't saved. I didn't have the code changes running. Here, let's try it. Okay, yeah. Downloaded the image. That's good. I'm happy about that. But okay, so there's the ID that I have there. Close out of that so I don't have too many of those up. So close out all those, and then we want API preview. No, didn't work. It's a corrupted image. Let me see, what is the size of the one that worked? The one that worked is slightly bigger, but that's not significant at all. It's only bigger by like 30 KB. So it's not like, you know, maybe it's truncated by that much. Let's see, how much is it again? 410 KB. Why would we be dealing with a 38 KB limit? Why would we be dealing with that? And then topping it off, once I posted here, I was getting 30K. Let me see. Oh, I want to be on index.js, not main.js. All right. All that looks good. Is there a check the model, see if there's some kind of weird limit there. I don't think so. Outside of app. Preview. Let's ChatGPT it. All right. Index.js. That's that. Go to home. And then I need to copy from main.js to data URL. And then this is going to be main.js, and then ... Yeah, I almost want to handle the file upload separately. I must be reaching some sort of limit. I don't know. Yeah, because I'm sending everything in one post. I don't know. I don't need to speculate. Okay, so the click call downloads a valid PNG image. The image retrieved from the DB is not valid. And I'm going to include the valid parts of index.js, or just the whole thing. Yeah, why not? Just the whole thing. All right, let's ChatGPT it. See what ChatGPT thinks about it. Oh, yeah, I thought that was it, huh? Let's see. Let's see if it's right. I think I can just confidently move forward with that. All right, the backend decoding. Oh, interesting. Cool. All right, let's grab that. And what else? Okay, yeah, index. This is for the preview. All right, and I know I need to change this content disposition, or at least I think I do. Okay, and then it wants me to change the mushroom cow. Sorry for late. No worries. No worries, ma'am. As always, I got Mona Lisa close by. I was doing this with her earlier. Ooh, no, no, no. No, no, no. Is that disrespectful? Here, let me reload it so she's not all messed up. Hello, my name is Mona Lisa. Ooh, ooh. Pachow! 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 Oh, hi. My name is Mona Lisa. Pachow! Hadesiac 130 plays. I don't know what that says. Is there a translate? Yeah, I don't know how to read that. I'm not even gonna guess what language it is. I'd be wrong. I would definitely be wrong if I guessed that language. That sort of calligraphy. All right, what else does ChatGPT want me to do? ChatGPT. I don't think that is necessary. I don't have to do the required. Maybe it would be nice. Oh, Mona Lisa. Yeah, thank you for joining. All right, we don't have any front end changes to make, so we should just be able to save this. And did we save? I don't know if we changed anything to the post route. I can't remember. We changed the middleware. We did change the front end. Okay, so I have to stop this and restart it. And I'll have to figure out a way to get React running. I respond with emojis. We can communicate with emojis, I think. We are going to communicate with emojis. Emojis. All right, so I think I reran that. I'm just going to say I did rerun it. And I'm going to have to save another image, so let's do that. All right, so 3 dots this time. Share to Twitter again. And you can't see this on your screen, but it's popping up. I don't think you can. It's popping up a Twitter window. And it gives me this URL. Hold on, did the stream die? It's weird, my studio looks like the stream died. So every time I'm pausing, it's like I'm looking there to make sure it didn't die. One time I streamed for like 2 hours to nobody because it died. So I wasn't really streaming, but yeah. Anyway. All right, so I got the ID here. So the URL is /API preview. Okay, it downloaded an image. And it looks good, actually, here. So I think this is it. Let me see, hold on a second. If I have this, I don't think I need the middleware. Could be wrong about that, but we'll see. All right, this one was smaller. I don't see it. I'll just grab it again. Oh, it would be this one. Okay, yeah, I see it now. Okay, there it is. Okay, there it is, yeah. So this is the preview image that would be shown to somebody. Pretty sweet, huh? All right, so we're not done yet. We have to make sure that the image that I would share has that preview image, basically. And I'm thinking, like I mentioned, I don't think I need the middleware if the meta tag works with the /preview, or maybe actually that's where I'm putting it in. Oh, that's weird. Wonder why it says data application font woof. Where does that come from? Oh, that's something else. That's not what I'm dealing with here. Okay, cool. Good to know. All right, but are we getting the preview? Is that coming here? I don't see the preview coming from here. Let me check the this thing here. There it is right there. Okay. I got file not found. Okay. I wonder why though. Let's see. Looked like a good URL to me. API preview. Copy the link address. All right, what's the difference between these two URLs here? Is one slightly longer? Try adding .png. It's supposed to be a resource identifier. I mean, I can try it here. Yeah, it's supposed to be a resource identifier. So when we go in here, we pass in the ID without the .png, and then we use the ID to grab the state ID to grab the preview. And when we get file not found, that means we're hitting the wrong URL or something like that, because it's the live URL. That's why. You know that meme where it's like somebody getting dressed up like a clown? That's me. Okay, so let's use our actual URL here. Okay, now we got failed to get preview because of the PNG. Now we have the preview. And it's the actual preview, I think. It's not this one. It's this one. All right, so let's try it again. I think I might just go ahead and push it live, and because I do see the preview. The preview is there. Let's see. See what kind of different content dispositions that we have. I don't have time for this. Content disposition for displaying an image. In HTML. Oh, you're saying that's a bug? Yeah. Yeah, there's probably, yeah. I'll have to fix that for sure, brother. I'll have to get that fixed. Let's see. Constant okay. Let's see if we can chat GPT it or just co-pilot it. So I like cache control. It's a lot of seconds. Yeah, if you can, try to make these as issues on the GitHub page. And that way we can keep record of all the different, because I did make this code open source. Oh, all right. Yeah, it's a good idea to generally do that anyway. Even if you're not in code, you can always contribute to something. All right, let's see what this is. I don't like all those zeros. It's like an eternity away. But whatever, we'll live with it. All right, let me check and see if we're in the node mon. All right, we are in the node mon. All right, we're sharing. I mean, I'm going to share. I'm going to click share. Share. Twitter. Okay, gimme. I guess I'll just check this. Oops. Okay, that works, right? Kinda. I think is it doing the wrong image? It might be displaying the wrong image every time. That would be weird, right? Yeah, that'd be pretty weird. But I don't know. All right, well, I'll draw something new. Get rid of all these other tabs. I'm confused. All right, hold on. Let me find it. 1 second. All right, this should take you there. Yes, my middle name is Dale. What's up, guys? Don't forget to like the stream if you haven't already. I'm doing some more coding. Little dog barking, but that's cool. And subscribe. Coding Things are IRL. And let's continue. All right, so we're here. I don't see anything. Let's start over, actually. All right, so I'll close this, and close this, and just make sure that I'm actually gonna show the right preview, because it looked like I wasn't. All right, let's draw this circle now, so it's nice and unique. I click the share button, and I got the Twitter URL. And first I'll just copy that and make sure that I'm gonna be pulling up the right image here. Yeah, this is a bug. I know about this bug, but nonetheless, that worked. Okay. And if I open this tab here, I should have in the network, in the sources here, or actually no, in the network, possibly in the sources, possibly. There should be something, but I don't see it. Let's see, if I copy the URL there, yeah, we're not getting the I'm just gonna go for it, you know what I mean? Yeah, I only have Twitter hooked up. It's easier for me. I assume that they all work, but y'all test it and let me know if there's any that don't work. That's on the React, what's it called? The React share people. That's the component library that I'm using. All right, so in the elements here at least, verify that I have the right URL here. And I'm wondering if I should just use, I don't have the right URL, and I'm wondering if I should just use something else. Hold on, let me focus on this. Host not.com. Yeah, that's what it is right there. That looks good. So, I mean, I have every reason to believe that this will work once I publish it. So I'm just going to publish it. All right. We're going live. We'll do it live. All right. We're going live with this. So don't do... Yeah, we're injecting the content there. No problem. Don't do as I do on this. This is very bad practice. But yeah, whatever. All right, just reviewing these changes quickly because I gotta go. I got a chicken sandwich calling my name. All right, it looks properly embedded. Things look pretty proper. All right, so this commit that I'm doing that you can't see right now is going to be called SSR preview image. And I got my fingers crossed that it will work. All right. Also off screen, logging into my EC2 instance. And then I'll pull it over on screen, I think. Make sure that we can see that, yeah. Currently just seeing the circles. Why so many questions, Pythonic Serpent? Yeah, no reason. It's just the one that's there by default. I don't have any preference on that at all. All right, here we are. Oh, I forgot to sudo su. All right. Now here we have to do things a little bit differently. cd into app, npm run build. Actually, trying to think if I don't think we're installing any new dependencies. So npm run build might be enough. We're using just the JavaScript to data. It turns out it's actually really simple to take a screenshot of a 3JS canvas. It's very easy. All right, so we're using PM2 to run the instance of the server, the Express.js server on this in EC2 instance. So we have to run PM2. Actually, no, we did have another dependency here, I think. npm install on that. Yeah, one package added. I'm glad I caught that. All right, so now the big moment. So PM2 restart index, and then immediately PM2 logs. All right, we seem to be doing well here. Let's go to the website here. All right. I'm not really sure. Let's go. I guess I could just look and see. Here, let's go to Mona. Let's use Mona. What I need to see is the I need to see the injected meta tags in the elements here. And I don't think I see them. Let's check it. Hold on a second. Okay, there it is. All right, so if I take that preview URL, actually, no, I won't get anything right now. I'm gonna have to save a new one. Now don't worry, because whenever you save these, it will not overwrite the existing one. It'll create a new one. So I'm gonna go share again. Twitter, because it's all that I got. Please type free Palestine since you coding. I don't take requests, but you know, more power to you, brother. If you like coding, we can talk about coding. That's what we do here. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, Mona Lisa is pretty sweet. I don't think that would work because it doesn't have this or this. I don't know what that means. All right, so I think that that's the right window. Try that again. There's Twitter. Hey, look, it worked. Check. I don't know how to write a custom Twitter message. All right. Jesus Christ. All right. All right, so it worked. We're pretty excited about that. Now, what I need to make sure, though, is that it's going to be cached for a long time. And I'll have to look into that on the back end. We'll just have to run some tests on it. But for now, I'll just leave it up and make sure my data cap isn't going crazy. But yeah, this is a successful SSR implementation. All right, so if you're new, make sure you like the stream. Make sure you subscribe to Coding Things IRL. And I'm going to go over exactly how this works right now. And then I'm going to leave. Okay. So here we go. Trying to think of the best way to do this. All right, so the best way to do this is to start at the request point, I think. Yeah, that's, yes. Yeah, I think I will do that. It's a good idea. I thought to do that too. I think I tried to do it. Let's see. That sounds delicious. Large summary image. How do we do that? Hold on. All right, so how to add a tweet button to your website. I think this is kind of what I want. The text maybe. Okay. Oh, I think I need to make a bright pegged Twitter. So it says it should be from the title, which I do have. I don't understand. He's coming for me. He's launching the rockets right now. He knows I made those videos. Yeah, scary. Alright, I don't know what the deal with this is. I can't seem to get it to write the message. It has a title. What is that S? Yo, what is that? How long was that there? Did I do that just now? Yes, I did. I did that just now. Where is that? Was I just scrolled over? I could have sworn there was. I think it's time for me to quit because I'm hallucinating things. There's no thing there. All right. Well, the title, is the title cut off in some way? Let me see. So in the index, this is what we're injecting. Somewhere. Up here. It's just these two meta tags right here. And it injects it at the end at this point, so that's good. So that means I should still have this title. Hi, my brother. Thanks for stopping by. So that's link rel equals canonical for the URL. But that's not what I have, is it? I got the Twitter share button. Yeah, I'll have to look into that. Yeah, because that's what it is. It's not even going on. Here, watch. So here I am, right pegs, blah blah. And then I click share, Twitter, as I always do. Doesn't it take it a second to pop up? Yeah, there it is. But there's no image preview. I wonder why. I don't know. Oh, I see the title down there. That's the title. Okay, I see that now. Okay, so I'll change the title later. I'll figure out how to do that. Okay, I'll change the title. But what about the text? What about the little... I don't think it'll let me just like pass anything in as the URL. Unfortunately. I could try that here. So I don't think I even showed the React app side of this, so I get to show that right now. We're going here. App is where it is. And public is where we have the index HTML. Not no modules, public. Here it is. Showed that briefly, but then the Reacty side of it is here, starting with index and then shareables.js. That's where we have all these share URLs. Okay. Here's where we're doing set the share URL, and I can just do like check out what I made on brightpegs.com, and I'm sure that's probably not going to work, but we'll try it anyway. npm run dev on local. On local. Yeah, weren't there 2 issues? Thought I remembered 2 issues. It's not a big deal, but only thing I'd say about that is I want 2 line breaks in there. I'm wondering if it'll just be like I don't know. Is that a line break? I hope that's a line break. Breaks that line. All right, let's see if that works. So I think I'm still running nodemon. So if I refresh it, click share again. I don't see the line breaks. I don't see them. But then again, I have to rebuild the React app now that I think about it. Next time we'll figure out how to run the React watcher. What's it called? Start script. React scripts start, whatever is default, with create React app. We'll run that in the background on a different port. And serve the file from static. All right, we're connected. Goody goody. Share, and I want my 2 line breaks. Oh. Yeah, I think we're good without the 2 line breaks. I don't think I have to worry about it. We'll worry about what to change that to later, but I'm happy that it's something. All right. Was there something else I was supposed to do? I think we just wanted the message. And that's pretty much it, right? What do you think? You got to figure out which one of those windows is my. I had so many windows open. It's the first one. All right, there we go. And there's the chat. Yeah, thanks, Mushroom Cow. I appreciate that. All right, so now pull. Okay, I forgot to push the changes here. All right, so that title of it. That title of it is dynamic. We should change that. No, brightpegs.com. .3D light art maker. Change this. I don't even know what that means. 3D art maker. Get rid of these comments. All right, that'll do for now. I don't think I need anything else, right? I'll have to look at the other ones. I don't know what yeah, I'll have to look at all that stuff and see what exactly we need from that. I'm not gonna let it just guide me through this. It'll take me down a stupid hole. I don't want to go down a stupid hole. I don't have time. All right. I also don't have time not to check and see if this runs perfectly before releasing it into the Hey, what's up? This is the game, by the way. This was made by Mushroom Cow. He's here right now. Pretty sweet. But it's just like a kind of like a light bright game. And it's live on brightpegs.com if you want to play it. Feel free to go play it. I'm about to, if you want to wait though, I'm about to publish the new SSR changes. So it'll just make sharing a little bit easier. You can wait if you want. But anyway, we have to just check and see if this works properly. Check out what I made on brightpegs.com. Now I can't see the preview image here as it is right now, So I'm hoping that it just works. We'll see. Update that message later, but yeah, it looks pretty good. So let's do git pull on my EC2 instance. Gotta push it actually. So off screen, I'm pushing it to my GitHub. Okay. On screen, I'm using git pull to pull the changes. There they are. I have to go cd app npm run build. There are no new dependencies, so it's just a simple build we'll do. Shouldn't take too long. Shouldn't take too long. So we're creating an optimized production build with the new changes. Which include the new message that will be displayed as the URL passed in. And I'm hoping that doesn't cause problems. If you guys have Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, whatever, go ahead and go to brightpegs.com and test it up. And make sure it works. All right, but that worked. We built the React app, so let's cd back to the main directory and we will restart a PM2 instance. We did pull the changes, so that's like this: PM2 restart, and then index is the name of the instance. So we should be good. PM2 logs, and that looks successful. So yeah, moment of truth. Here's Mona. We'll click the old share button again on Twitter. And this is what I get. We still have that, but I mean, and then also, is it not showing? Uh-oh. We may have to write the message on the image or something like that. All right, let me test this tweet. All right, that's the wrong preview image, so we got to fix that. All right, so how did we get the wrong preview image? So we have the Twitter image property now, I guess. I need to just get rid of that because I think that's what we're injecting. Twitter image source. Yeah, that's what it needs to be, because that's what it was over here. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. I'm not gonna check it for the sake of quickness. I'm not gonna check it. All right, we'll go back over. I'm freaking hungry, that's why. All right, get that. Get pull the changes. CD app npm run build. I could probably just move the index file though. That would be a quick way to deploy this without worrying about it. This deployment is actually pretty seamless and with no downtime as long as I don't make any mistakes. In theory, it could be automated via a pipeline, but I don't know, whatever. This is fun too. PM2 restart index. All right, let's see if we got it. So now we have to click the share button, back to Twitter. I'll tweet it up. See what it looks like. Yeah. Although this needs to be changed from bright light to brightpegs.com. Where does it say bright light? There we go. Meta correct. It's annoying that we have to do all of this. Well, whatever. It is important to get the meta correct. All right. Git pull. All right, cd app. npm run build. And that's all we have to do. In theory, that's all we have to do. I think I should probably make it a fixed position. I don't know. Or just more evident that you're going to be posting a screenshot. Because once I go here, it's like, it's not really clear. I think that should be it right there. Like I could post this right now. Oh, it is clear. It just takes a second to show up. It's fine with me. All right, let's try. Or let's see. Okay, to my Twitter. Wait, did I post it? I don't see it. I must have clicked out of it instead of posting it. Post. Okay. All right, I'll go there. All right, here's what I did. Check out what I made on brightpegs.com. All right, let me actually make something. It still says bright light though. Wonder why it still says bright light. Is there two of these Twitter titles? Yeah, there's two of those. There's two of these. It's like two of everything. Those are OG URLs. That's fine if I have two of those. I'll remove this and this, and that's it. Those. All right, another meta correct, annoyingly. All right, but we have to do it. We have to make sure that it's correct. Such is the life of a professional, if I even am one. Sometimes I question that, if I'm honest. But whatever. I don't think we have to wait for it. I can go ahead and just begin creating something. And we can have it saved. Let's go with something delicious since I'm hungry. First thing that comes to mind is some delicious grapes. Anybody who knows me knows that I'm not an artist, but I do try my best. Especially when it's my game I'm trying to showcase. But yeah. That's more than it's more than it needs to be. All right, well, there you go. Let's try to share it. Show me the image. Or don't, whatever. Sometimes it's just finicky. Let me go look on my profile. See it refreshed. There we go. Check out what I made on brightpegs.com. Alright guys, that is going to do it for this stream. We successfully implemented SSR. Thank you all for joining. Don't forget to like the stream and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Where's the chat? Where's the chat? See you later, guys. Peace out.